whatever cricket that they've played and that I've read, they owe a lot to their respective fathers. Abhishek's dad is here. Sanju, we would have loved to speak to your dad. We do speak to him quite often, but not on camera. And both, obviously, your family is always very proud of you. The fathers will always look at you with pride. But how strict was your dad? How friendly was your dad? Paji इतनी बैठी सामने.
I mean, that would be lie if I say he wasn't strict at all. I mean, he's strict always. He's always been like that. But I feel during this phase, even he understood that it's not in my hand. Because he's been seen always me performing in all the games, not in just for India, in the junior cricket as well. So it wasn't easy for him and for my family as well to see and see me going through this phase. But I think the way he handled and my family handled, they used to come for all the games. They try to, take me to some other places, try to other places. But I feel it wasn't easy for him as well. If you ask him, he would say that, I mean, he'll pretty much say right now that he wasn't worried or he wasn't, intense. But he was. I could see he's upset. He's been, he tried everything. Part, puja, which he never did, I guess. But
काम कर गई.
but I feel it's not just you playing over there, it's the whole family, your friends, the team. So I could understand that, and I knew that it's not gonna go till the end, or probably I'll have my time. So I was waiting for that.
Yes, Bhaji. I think I used to meet Abhi's father often in the lift actually after the games. तो मैं तो खेल ही रहा था तो सर जी मेरे को मिलते थे लिफ्ट में तो भाई कमाल से चला रेस्टलेस मैंने बोला भाई लोट ना लो कर देगा लड़का. So I remember Bhaji, I think yeah, so that's how
Your dad?
My dad, as Abhi said, I think my childhood definitely was very strict and he actually mentored both of us. My elder brother, we both are cricketers. So I think, as he rightly said, I think they are the क्या बोलते हैं वो शिल्पी को क्या बोलते हैं जो you make the statue, like properly. He has written the whole story. So that's how I think this is all his vision and I'm very happy. Very happy it is coming true.
In fact, I again tell you the two stories. Abhishek's father has played very good competitive cricket at the first class level. He used to have a bank job. Do 1 hour of his job, and the rest of the hours in a day he would spend on Abhishek becoming a better cricketer. Sanju's father was in Delhi police here. He left his job because, even though I have a friend from Delhi cricket here, but Delhi cricket you don't get too many chances. So his father left Delhi in a month, moved back to Kerala so that his, even though he was uncertain about his job, so that his son can get those chances going forward. And I think it's a sacrifice of the two fathers that these two are here. So that's an incredible story from the two dads as well. Before, I want to also talk to you a little bit about IPL that's coming up. But before that, because, World Cup's done,